crazy, I haven't seen this in a long time.
Hey guys, so we just arrived in Taipei, Taiwan, and we're gonna transfer. Here it is. Canada and America. We're stoked. Now, destination Canada. Yee.
Operation Maple Leaf.
Here's the line to Vancouver. We board at 22:50, so 11:50 p.m. It's almost midnight. I still have a lot of energy. Just drank a lot of orange juice, so a lot of sugar still in my body. And I'm excited to go to Canada for my first time. This is Matt's hometown. Okay, so we went downstairs with all the Canadians. I'm just kidding. Going to Vancouver. Here's the waiting lines, midnight. A lot of people. So far, my first impressions of Vancouver is it's diverse.
You haven't even been there yet.
No, we're still in Taiwan. But we're all headed to Vancouver. Matt, can you sing the national anthem?
Oh, Canada, our home and native land. Try to not be super loud and obnoxious.
Matt is Canadian. That's why we're going to Canada. To see his motherland.
See the Great White North.
When we arrive in Canada, first thing we're gonna do is eat waffles with maple syrup.
And the poutine.
And poutine. And we're gonna rake leaves, because the leaves is like the national flag.
Or rake leaves.
First thing I think about when I think of Canada is lakes, mountains, and yeah, lakes and mountains.
And beavers.
I don't really think about beavers, but we are gonna eat breakfast with maple syrup. All the way from Taipei, Taiwan, across the ocean. We have 2 more hours left until we hit Vancouver. Wow, we can see Vancouver. The weather is so cool, like so beautiful.
It's my home city. Oh, crazy, I haven't seen this in a long time.
So it's actually 7:15 p.m. in Vancouver, and it's still so light. It's crazy. We're so used to it being dark in Bali around 6:30 p.m., but it doesn't look like there's even a sunset right now. Look. We're here in Canada. We just landed in Canada off of China Airlines.
Beautiful weather.
We all came from Taipei, Taiwan, so a lot of people coming in from there to Canada, and it's beautiful weather.
Yeah, it was like perfect weather to come to. Blue skies, minimal clouds, see the mountains. Definitely good to be home.
Oh, I'm so excited. I'm like super excited. Like lately I've been traveling to countries I've already been to, but I haven't like properly visited Canada, so I'm super stoked. This is like my first new country in a long time. It's in French. Oh my god, Canadians are French.
You won't be hearing a lot of French on this side of Canada though.
Okay, apparently there's not a lot of French spoken on the west side of Canada. Not in Vancouver. Matt's excited. He's so excited. He's so excited. Matt's really excited, and the weather is really perfect, so he's even excited, and I'm excitedest.
Let's go.
Exciting time to be in Canada. Okay, first impression. I see 2 wooden statues, and it looks Native American, so I think Canada is very Native American-y. I wonder if there's a lot of Native Americans in Vancouver. We'll find out. Alright, so the process so far, we arrived here in Vancouver Airport, and then we had to scan our passports and declare customs. Now we're at baggage claim to grab our luggage.
Mom's still over there.
Where? Oh, Matt's seeing his mom.
Melanie first. You look just like your pictures, as gorgeous as ever.
Yay!
Year and a half. Finally made it.
It is 10 p.m. Look how bright it is out still. Crazy. Really cool. Summertime, so the days are really long. And it's not even completely dark yet. It's 10 p.m. And we're unloading in Matt's mom's truck here in Chilliwack, Canada. Alright, so this is where we're gonna be staying here in Canada. Super cool. So like, here's the bedroom and it's behind this cool tapestry, I believe. Boom. So cute. Aw. Himalayan salt lamp with reflexology chart. Very spacious. You got this huge TV. Got some guitars, vibes, nice comfy couch, Santana.
Skateboard poster, and I went to this demo with all these pros and I got their autographs.
Oh, sick. You're a really big dog. Look at how big this dog is. Like a big bear. Kiss him. Going kayaking. Loaded the truck. And here is the view in Canada. Nice. Matt is packing the paddleboard next to the kayak. That's gonna be a fun day.
And it looks so nice with the windows and everything. Like it's like a little picture of a magazine, right?
Okay, loaded the kayak, and here is Hicks Lake. Super beautiful.
Careful.
Next to Harrison River, and there's a little, this actually big Buddha that spouts out spring water. We have this jug, and Matt's gonna fill it up with natural, fresh spring water. Spring water in Canada.
Come on, keep drinking.
Fresh.
Need more.
It's good. Oh yeah. Yeah. Cheers. Very good. Thank you, Buddha. Buddha water. Get yours today. Found Sasquatch. Bridal Vale Falls here in Chilliwack, BC, Canada. We're here in Kent's Ice Cream in Chilliwack, BC, Canada. Chilliwack. I said it right. Chilliwack.